Welcome to this channel. I'm glad you clicked on this video. In this video, I will be sharing with you how to design a church flyer just like this one. I am Ayodeji Peter. I will be right back. Welcome once again. The first thing you have to do is to create a new document of 2 by 6 inches. After creating the document, change the background color. Here is the S code of the color I use. Once you are done with the background color, draw a rectangle of white color and rotate it just as I did. Add another small rectangle to this side with same color. Duplicate the first rectangle and change the field color. You can copy the S code of the color I used for the second rectangle. Just make sure the color you are using is different from the background color. Now move it downward a little bit. When you are done with this, proceed to adding of image. I have all the image I'm going to use saved in a folder. Check the description for the link to the resources I used. This is the first image I'm going to use. After you have imported the image, adjust it and make sure the layer of the image come before the layer of the rectangle. Change the blend mode to multiply and reduce the opacity if you wish to do. Add the second image. Here I'm going to add 2 images at once and adjust them. To blend the 2 images, what I'm going to do is reducing the opacity of this image to 10%, and for this you can as well reduce the opacity, but I would like to use another method. I will change the blend mode to multiply. For this side, add the layer mask to the layer and make sure your foreground color is black. Choose the brush and set the size and hardness. Change this to clean brush, then apply it to the layer. You can see the outcome. In case you want to make this side brighter, adjust the opacity level of the first image we used. Once you are done with these steps, proceed to adding of the flyer information. Let's add the church logo. Import the logo and adjust the size and position it to this side. Make sure the layer of the church logo is above the layer of the images. Add a small rectangle of color white and add a blur effect to the rectangle. Let's add new image, which is the pastor picture, and adjust the size. Put the layer below the layer of the rectangles. Add date and time icon and change the color to white. Let's add all the text and proceed to arrangement. The font I'm going to use is Geometry 415 and white color. Once you add all the text, let's start the arrangement. Under the church name, I will add the church nickname and change the font and as well reduce the size. For present, increase the space between the alphabet and add italic. For other text, I just change the angle to -8. Just pay full attention to get the steps correctly. Now back to this side. What I wanted to do is to make this rectangle have sharp edge. In order not to waste time, let's just delete these rectangles and redraw. Now just change the angle to -8 and adjust the placement. Make sure the edges are well combined. Duplicate the rectangle and change the color. Move it downward and set the edges. When this is done, continue the arrangement. I will add location icon for this to show it is the venue for the program. Since the rectangle is white, change the text color. The last image I'm adding is the sunlight ray. And this is the end of the lesson. If you are new to this channel or a returning viewer and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification icon for you to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.